What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, it's a pack with me. Let's go to Mexico. So tomorrow morning I'm actually going to Guadalajara, which is, somewhere in Mexico. You guys can Google it because I can't tell you exactly where it is. For a mini vacation, it's gonna be, from Thursday to Sunday. Today's Wednesday, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna bring. There's two things we are not gonna talk about. My hair. Lynn, if you're watching this, I am sorry I did this myself because I was having a mental breakdown. It will wash out, it's semi-permanent, but we're not gonna talk about it because I can't deal with this right now. I'm literally having a midlife crisis. Two, how messy my room is. You guys should really see the other half of it because wow, it looks so bad, but I'm not gonna show you guys. So we're gonna, just deal with this messy corner as I pack with you guys. I literally just flew in from Texas like an hour ago. I went to go get dinner and now I'm home literally trying to pack for tomorrow. My life is a mess right now. So I had a lot of packages in the locker room because I haven't been home in over a week. So pretty much everything I ordered came in for this trip. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I ordered and will be taking. But okay, I'll give you a glimpse of my messy. Okay, that's all you guys get. That's it. That was too much for me. Oh, and I also closed my bathroom door for you guys because, it's haunted, so. Okay, this is my suitcase. It's a cow pack. I really like it. So normally when I go on trips, I like to take a carry-on and a backpack. I pack pretty light for me, which is very impressive, and I know how to pack very well. So, all I'm taking on this trip is a carry-on, so that is my carry-on. I am going to try on everything for you guys, except for a few things, and I'm gonna just show you guys those few things first. So starting off first, my babies I just got in the mail. I have looked everywhere for these, and I finally found them. So I bought them because I had to. These are the Chanel Dad Sandals, and I literally have been looking for them for over a year, pretty much, but I finally got them, and I'm so excited to wear them. I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys on because a lot of you are obsessed with feet and are really weird about feet, and I don't want to show you guys my feet for free. So next up is a purse. I don't really know how to say the name of this brand. Jacquemus, I don't know. I've wanted one of these bags for so long. I love tiny bags for some reason. They're just so clutch. So I got this one, the white one, and can I just say, chef's kiss. It has the little strap around. You guys will definitely be seeing this in my Instagram photos, but love this bag. Okay, moving on. I got this bikini from Tiger Mist. It was seen on Kendall Jenner, but I saw it before Kendall Jenner even wore it, so I'm just gonna throw that out there. And I always wanted to buy it, but I didn't, and then I saw it on sale, and then Kendall Jenner had to wear it. But I love the print of it and these little dangly things. And honestly, I bought the cover up before this bikini like so long ago. I just didn't get the bikini, I don't know why, and I finally got the bikini, so I have the whole set. Here's the top. Okay, this is the top. Yeah, cute. Very cute, very cute. So here is that matching wraparound that I've had forever. Okay guys, this is what it looks like on. Bear with me, I just said I had a lot of dinner to eat. I like it, it's cute. It gives me very Mexico vibes, and that's what I like about it. Moving on is this dress from Gia. I don't even know how to explain to you how it goes on, but let me just show you how this bad boy goes on because this is the sexiest dress that I own, and I think everybody needs it, so just wait. Do you guys see this? Do you see this? Oh my God, stop talking. I can't hear you over this dress. Guys, this was so worth the $100. I don't care if you guys are like, $100 on a dress. This is the best dress you could spend $100 on. I don't care what anybody says. Okay, hi. Hi. Okay, anyways, I am so excited about this dress. Next up, I have a couple things from Linus. They're literally all brand new. I've never worn any of it before, so let's try it on. I just realized that this dress legit matches my hair. How am I supposed to go out in public like this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Whatever. Anyways, I love the color of this dress. I don't love the color of my hair. I don't know what it is, but this dress is so cute, and I don't know if you guys can see, it has a slit right here and it goes all the way down. It is so sexy. And underneath right here, it's like all lace. I love it. I love it. Don't love that it matches my hair, but I love it. This is another outfit that I have. It doesn't match my hair, clearly. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna take it because it's cute, you know? Like, look how cute with high heels. It's so cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it. Okay, next I wanted to show you guys these shorts. I would never wear it with this top, but I just wanted to show you the shorts real quick. They are silky and so cute, and they're super casual, so if I'm just like walking around town for the day, I think that these will be super comfy and cute. So I'm gonna take these. I don't know exactly what top I would wear with it yet, so bear with me on that. I need to figure it out. I just have a lot of clothes in my closet that I have not looked at yet. And then I wanted to show you guys this. I don't feel like putting it on right now because it seems like a lot of work, but it's a corset and goes under your boobs, and I think this with like one of those like oversized button-up shirts would be really cute. So I'm gonna take this. I don't know how I'm gonna wear everything or when, but I'm just gonna take it. Next, I'm gonna show you what I got from Nasty Gal. I'm probably gonna only take this two-piece and not this, but I'm just gonna try everything on because it might be way cuter than I expect, so let's try it on. I don't know if I like this. It's not that flattering on me. It's really comfy, but I don't think it's my vibe or Mexico's vibe. So I don't think I'm gonna take it with me. Okay, this is actually so cute. Can't even see, but it's like long pants. I'm obsessed with this two-piece. I'm for sure taking this. I think it looks okay with my hair. Let's try on the last outfit. I am very excited for that one. This is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, so I just buttoned it because I don't have anything under it right now, but I'm probably gonna wear like a black bralette or white crop or black crop, whatever with this. But are you kidding me? I love this two-piece. I was a little scared because the sizing, but it fits me so good. I wish the pants were just a teeny bit longer, but I love this. I don't even care if this doesn't match my hair. I love it. This is so cute. And then I got these sunglasses that my roommate got, and I really liked them. I told her to send me the Amazon link. She did. So I just went ahead and bought them. Maddie, if you're watching this, thank you. Both of them were for like $14. I lose my sunglasses and mess them up all the time, but you guys, who is she? Who is she? These are so cute. I don't know what they're called, but I guess just look up like neon square sunglasses on Amazon. And it comes for 2 for $14. Amazon sunglasses are literally the best. Okay, and these are the other ones. What a vibe. Okay, so that's pretty much it of everything I'm gonna take. I mean, I'm only there for like 3 days, so I don't need that much. Obviously, I'm gonna take probably some like regular shorts and like tank tops just in case for like anything, but I don't need that many clothes with me. I'll probably be taking like a pair of heels and some workout clothes. Maybe I'll hit the gym a day or two there. Fingers crossed. I probably won't because I will be going to Tequila Town and drowning myself in tequila. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.